Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloomium in Studlands. Bloomium is a highly sought-after material, crucial for advancing your gear and crafting powerful items. Your journey to acquire this rare resource should begin by exploring the vibrant, flowy fields. This area is known to contain Bloomium, so spend some time searching every nook and cranny. Persistence is key when hunting for such valuable materials. A fantastic strategy for gathering Bloomium involves participating in eclipse events. During these special occurrences, the game spawns unique, rare enemies that are more difficult to defeat. However, these formidable opponents have a higher chance of dropping valuable materials, including Bloomium, upon their defeat. Always be prepared for a tough fight when an eclipse begins, as the rewards are well worth the effort. Dungeons offer another excellent avenue for obtaining Bloomium. After successfully completing a dungeon and defeating its boss, you will receive a list of loot items, often including valuable bundles. These bundles frequently contain rare materials, and Bloomium can be among them. Consider teaming up with one or two other players to tackle these challenging encounters, increasing your chances of victory and securing those precious rewards. To maximize your Bloomium haul, always ensure you have the best possible tools and gear. Upgrading your weapons and armor will allow you to defeat stronger enemies and survive longer in dangerous areas. Continuously explore new biomass and regions, as hidden Bloomium deposits or new enemy types might be waiting. Remember, consistent effort and preparation are vital for accumulating this valuable resource in Studlands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.